Well, time now for the news, and we'll start rather on a very tragic note. A 56-year-old man has been burnt to death in a midnight fire that gutted 10 rooms of a story building at Asafo in Kumasi. Samuel Kwadwo was heard by neighbors calling for help in the midst of the inferno, suspected to have started from his room on the top floor. 9 other tenants, including aged women, have been displaced. Erastus Asaridonko has more.
So about 10 bedrooms have been ravaged by the fire which started midnight today. We do understand that it has consumed a 56-year-old man. He's popularly called Ofche, but then his real name is Kwadwo Samuel. Now, this is where we are told the body was found, where I'm standing exactly, and he was totally bent, with half of his body bent to ashes when the police came in to pick him up. This is his bedroom. Let me speak with this gentleman who saw or witnessed the fire during the midnight era. But you're frozen.
Oh, and I don't know one it said or mutiatium. So if you have phone. Or no, the kind free sister, yeah, or Shana Siano. So, or a gesture to Yamono. Son of sister, kind. And the near tea, I you know, didn't know your buy. Not just a honey now you see, and the honey in January. And you know, for Sabako for so I break it, so you do it. And to break into Nana fire and spread it. Not just at that time, so you fresh fire there almost by 40 minutes. No more mind. And to buy not just we be no yeah.
So what he's telling me is that around midnight, people in the house, the tenants, started calling out to them that the man upstairs, Kwadwo, was crying for help, that he was burning, and people should come to his aid. So by the time they got up here, there was smoke everywhere. The fire was licked at that particular time. And so they forced this door open, and that was when air entered the room and the fire got out of hand. Mobile phone no na the body in the net say.
I say you go sack him. I was in some you know na na me no so ni o. And they call confirmation.
Well, he says that the body they found was bent totally. Some of his body parts were totally bent beyond recognition. Say na wunim no, wunim ne say.
Me ne koba. Say ne bra bi wa we da amokra ibu amena mo bisa na se firi no. Me ne eno anyumre no kra no. Me ne ji mu around by 8:30. Anyumre bia me ne pie koba.
9 other tenants, mostly aged women who managed to flee the area, are now displaced. This old woman has nowhere to stay now.
He was screaming for help, but unfortunately he was not able to escape the fire. For now, we are homeless, but we are looking up to God.
One tenant who managed to salvage a few belongings is seen loading them to safety.
So it is not clear what caused this fire, but it has claimed the life of somebody who is loved in this community. Reporting for JoyNews, Erastus Asaridonko, Kumasi.